replacement parts, please contact customer service with your previous order number. Locate the damaged bar and expand your frame a fourth of the way open. Now grab a screwdriver and follow one of the damaged poles up to where it connects into the plastic connector. There will be a screw holding it in place. Remove the long screw and set it aside to use for the replacement bars. Repeat this step again for the other bar. Next, close the frame and flip the frame over to have better access to the other two screws. Repeat the steps to remove the screws on the last two sections of the poles. Here we have a hook and loop fastener blocking the screw. Remove the screw from the hook and loop fastener and remove the fastener to gain access to the screw. Once all the screws have been removed from the poles, pop the poles out of the connecting pieces. Set the broken poles aside and grab your new poles. Open the poles to form an X and make sure the poles line up the same way as the other poles on the side you are replacing. Now pop the poles into the connection piece, making sure they are in the same holes as before. Insert the long screws into each hole and tighten. Restore the hook and loop fastener to the connection piece and place the short screw back on tightly. Close the pop-up and flip it over again, and expand it a fourth of the way open. Replace the screws into the last two poles and screw tight. Your pop-up is now repaired.